Riverside Autoplex is Oklahoma's low price leader, proud to offer the best deals on new Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, Ford, and Honda.
Check out this granite crystal metallic clear coat 2014 Chrysler 300 4-door sedan S, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy this great car with features like Sirius XM satellite radio, halogen headlights, iPod, iPhone, external memory integration, auto-dimming rear-view mirror with microphone, remote power windows, ambient lighting, electronic stability control, illuminated beverage holders, remote engine, start, heated exterior mirrors, power adjustable lumbar passenger seat, power adjustable lumbar driver seat, remote anti-theft alarm system with engine, immobilizer, push-button start, rear-view camera, leather-trimmed upholstery, braking and hill start assist, universal garage door opener, electronic brake force distribution, power door locks with anti-lockout feature, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2014 Chrysler 300. See us at Riverside Autoplex of Muskogee today.